Welcome back, students. Yesterday I had given review worksheet number 2. I had given review worksheet number 2, page number 57. It is given page number 57. I hope you have solved question number 1 to question number 4. If you feel any problem, you can contact me. But today I am going to solve for you question number 5, A, B and C as it is given problem based question. So you see 5A. How can you solve 5A? In a day, a printer prints 6,780 copies of the morning newspaper and 2,135 copies the evening newspaper. How many copies of the newspaper does he print in a day? So for evening 6,780, for morning 6,780 and for evening 2,135 copies. So how many copies in one day that machine, printer machine are printing in a day? So you can get total. Morning prints newspaper prints in morning, newspaper prints in morning, how many? 6,780. 6,780. And newspaper in evening, it prints in evening. In evening, how many? 2,135. 2,135. So total means how many copies of the newspaper does he print in a day? So in this way, how many copies? So total copies. You can get here total copies in a day. Total copies in a day. So here 505, 8311, 1 carry, 718 and 1, 9, 6 to 8. So total copies 8,915. Total copies 8,915. So for this question, you can do by addition. You can add both. How many copies in morning? How many copies in evening? The printer is printing. After that, total copies. How many total copies in a day? In one day, total how many copies? Means morning copies and evening copies. So you can add together, you can get answer 8,950. After that, question number B. B. After that, question number 5B. A farmer wants to plant 2,740 trees. He has planted 1,864. How many more trees does he have to plant? So farmer wants to plant trees. Total trees 2,740. Farmer wants to plant trees. How many trees he wants to plant? 2,740. 2,740. He has planted 1,864. He has planted now 1864 trees. How many more trees does he have to plant? So how many more trees he have to plant? So he has to plant more tree. He has to plant more tree. How many? He has to plant more tree. How many? Question mark. After that, you can subtract this planted tree. This tree is 1864. He has planted. So from total trees, his aim is to plant 2740 trees. From the total trees, what he has aimed to plant, you can subtract this planted tree. This trees have been planted. 1864 trees have been planted. So you can subtract from this one. So 2740 minus 1864. From 0, 4 cannot be subtracted, it will be 10. 10 minus 4, 6. After that, here will be 3 remaining. 3 minus 6 cannot be subtracted, it will be 13. 13 minus 6, 7. After that, from 7, 8 cannot be subtracted because 7 is less. It will take row. From 2, it will be 17. It will be 16 because here 6 is remaining. 16 minus 8, 8. And here remaining 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So 876. So 876 plant have to plant by the farmer. Means now he has to plant, has to complete his target as 2740 trees. As you know, 1864 trees he has been planted. So now 876 trees he has to plant more. You can check the answer also. 6, 4, 10, 0, 1 carry. 7, 6, 13 and 1, 14, 1 carry. 8, 8, 16 and 1, 17, 7, 1 carry. And 0 and 1 means 1 and remaining 1, 2. In this way 876 plants. Question number C, 5C. Question number 5C. Rekha recorded 3275 songs. Of these, 2138 were Hindi songs, 573 were Marathi, and the rest were Bengali. How many Bengali songs did she record? So, firstly, you add Hindi song and Marathi song. After that, from total songs, you can subtract both as addition to. After that, what is remaining? It is the Bengali song. So Rekha recorded songs. You can write here. Rekha recorded songs means total songs 3275. 3275 songs. After that, Hindi songs. How many Hindi songs? Hindi songs were 2138. 2138. And Marathi songs? Marathi songs. How many? 573. 573. So, asking question, Bengali song. How many Bengali songs? Means how many Bengali songs in all songs? How many Bengali songs in all songs? So firstly, you can add as Hindi songs how many and Marathi songs how many. You can add together Hindi songs and Marathi songs. Here's Hindi songs 2138, Marathi songs 573. You can add together these two songs. 8 3 11 1 carry, and 7 3 10 and 1 11, again 1 carry, 5 and 1 6 and 1 7 and 2 here, 2711. Total Hindi and Marathi songs 2711. After that, for Bengali songs, number of Bengali songs means recorded Bengali songs recorded means she recorded Bengali songs. Bengali songs, it means from total song 3270, you can subtract this both Hindi song and Marathi song. So 3275 minus 2711. You see, 4-digit number ones, tens, 100,000. From 5 you can subtract 1. 5 minus 1, 4, 7 minus 1, 6, 2 minus 7 cannot be subtracted, it will be 12. 12 minus 7, 5, here will be 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Means 564 songs. There were 564 songs were recorded by her as in Bengali songs. So she recorded Bengali songs. How many Bengali songs? 564. So total 564 were Bengali songs. In this way you can solve the question. And I hope today you complete the review worksheet number 2. It is homework. Complete worksheet number 2. Today you complete all the questions in your copy, worksheet number 2. And from tomorrow I will teach chapter number 7, multiplication. So from tomorrow I will teach chapter number 7 as multiplication. Okay, thank you.